Hey there, I want to make a tutorial today how to make a BTR-82. Yeah, BTR-82 out of clay. And it's in 1/300 scale. Okay, what we're going to be using today is clay and this type of pen, or paint pen. Whatever paint pen, or you can use whatever paint pen that you have. It might work. You might have to do some tests to see if it'll stick. Wait, there you go. This is for little details like that. Okay. So we're going to start with the body of it, which is going to take up most of it. No, that isn't good. There we go. Man, I need some music. Too quiet in here. Bro. Yeah, I need some music. Oh yeah, it's actually functional too. You can actually move the head around. Wait, hold on. Let me get my other... Yeah, so you can move it around. Okay, so you gotta form it like this. And when you formed it like that, you gotta pinch it here for where the wheels go. Just a little bit. Oh, I forgot to do this part. My bad. If it's too much there, just kind of smooth that out. Okay, you should get a shape like that. Yep. Okay, and now we're going to be adding this middle part, or this thing in the middle here. Just like a piece of, or that's where the door is at for the BTR, where you can get in from the side. I don't got a good angle here. Okay, so just place it there in the middle. Try to blend it in with the side of the with the body of the BTR. Smooth it in, and you should get something like that. Yeah, if I had some music, it'll probably go better. Or I'll probably go faster with it. Oh yeah, comment down below what vehicle that you want to see next that I can build. So, like, I don't know, like a T-55 or something like that. I'll see if I can build it. Okay, so you gotta do it to both sides. Oh, I gotta work a little bit on here. Okay, so after when you do that, now we can add the wheels to it. So this part back here is really easy to do, so it's fine to do that last. If we did it right now, it wouldn't really. It would just get messed up. Dang it. We gotta make 8 wheels for it. We gotta make sure they're all the same size too, so there's an off proportionate. Okay, so I got that side's almost done. Just slowly adding the wheels on. I think too small of a wheel. Okay, I'm almost done with doing the wheels. After when I get done with the wheels, then we're gonna be then I probably work on the head of it. I think that's it. What the head of this is BTR-80. I'm gonna try to make a BTR-80 too. Different head. Man, this video's already 6 minutes. That's not quick enough. That's not good. Okay, I'm almost done putting all the wheels on. Okay, I got all the wheels. There we go. Yep, it's all balanced. Okay, so now we're going to be working with the head. To make it functional, you gotta get a little piece of clay like this and just put it in the spot where you want it. Then after that, then we gotta build the head. I guess I'll just make the same one that I got here so it'll be easy to follow. Yeah. Okay, so after we got that, you can just put the head on. I didn't really put it on well. Oh, I made a little buff. Okay, so I got the head on there. Now we're going to be doing the back detail. We got here the plates. What they got. Okay, we're just going to get a little piece of clay here. Don't put too much clay in the back because then it's going to look weird. It's like it has to be thin. I think I made it too much. It's gonna probably look better when I paint the wheels too. Or did I make the wheels too small? I don't know, it's hard to tell where I went wrong. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing those windows. Get a little piece of clay, put it up here. Dang it. You gotta make sure that everything's even too, because then everything is gonna look really weird. There you go, there's the BTR. The first time that I did it, it looks better than the second time. Let me try to do the wheels to see if that will look better. Man, this video is 10 minutes, that's not what it should be. Yeah, it looks a little better. And there you go. You got a BTR. Peace.